Oh, what's my income here? So one of my close friends was very difficult in finding his income. So let us join me in helping him to find his income. Good morning everyone, this is me Lokesh, and today we are going to discuss about a pair of equations, income and expenditure related problems. Read the question. The ratio of incomes of two persons is 9:7 and the ratio of their expenditures is 4:3. If each of them manages to save rupees 2000 per month, find their monthly income. If each of them manages to save rupees 2000 per month, find their monthly income. Yes, for this type of problems, the first and foremost hint is you have to know what is the relation between savings, income and expenditure. I'm writing here, savings is equal to income minus expenditure. That's right. That's right. So for example, you are getting a salary of rupees 25,000, right? For example, 25,000, and you are spending, I mean your expenses is about 10,000. So how much you can save at max? Only 15,000, right? So that means savings is equal to income minus expenditure. So that's the basic thing you need to know before solving this problem. Now let's read the question. The ratio of incomes of two persons is 9:7. See, if the ratio is given 9:7 means it may be 9:7 or 18:14 or 27:21 means 9:7. If the ratio is 1, mean like that, for example, 9, it may be 9:7 or 18:7, 18:14 or 27:21. 9 1s are 9, 7 1s are 7, 9 2s are 18, 7 2s are 14, 9 3s 27, 9 3s 27, 7 3s 21, or 9 4s 26, 7 4s 28. Means maintaining the same ratio. So we cannot take simply the income as 9 or 7. It may be 9 or 7 or 18 or 24, 27 21, 36 28. So what we will assume is that the income of A will be 9x. Similarly, income of B will be 7x. Income of A is 9x and income of B is 7x. So 9x means it may be 9, 18, 27, 36, 45 and so on. Okay. So we assume some variable as x. Similarly, assume one more variable for expenditure. Expenditure of A is in the ratio of 4:3, we'll assume 4y. Similarly, expenditure of B is 3y. Expenditure of B is 3y. Now, here comes the big important deal. Each of them manages to save rupees 2000. So it is given in numbers, right? See here. Savings of A is equal to income of A minus expenditure of A. So what is savings here? 2000. Yes, 2000 is equal to what is income of A? 9x minus expenditure of A? 4y. 9x minus 4y. 9x minus 4y is equal to 2000. Let it be equation 1. Similarly, income of B 7x and expenditure of B 3y, and savings of B is 2000 because each of them manages to save 2000, right? So 2000 I'm writing as savings of B is equal to 7x minus 3y, expenditure of B minus income of B minus 7 expenditure of B, 7x minus 3y. 7x minus 3y is equal to 2000. So we have to eliminate one variable, then only we can get easily the answer. Okay, now just change the pointer to be highlight more importantly. Yes, see here, it is better to eliminate x and eliminate y. It is better to eliminate y because y are the smaller numbers, right? So here it is 4, here it is 3. I'll just multiply this equation with 3 and this equation with 4. So we'll get 27x minus 12y is equal to 6000. Similarly, 28x minus 12y is equal to 8,000 is equal to 8,000. So on subtracting, my plus becomes minus and minus becomes plus. Here minus. Minus 12 plus 12 cancel. 27 minus 28 is minus x. 6,000 minus 8,000 is minus 2,000. Cancels and x is equal to 2,000. And now substitute this x value either in this question, in this equation, or in this equation. Or we will substitute this in this equation. So 2000 is equal to 7 into x is 2000, right? Minus 3y. So minus 3y on going that side will become plus 3y. 7 2s are 14,000, and send this positive 2000 to right hand side and it will become minus 2000. 3000 is equal to 12,000, I mean 3y is equal to 12,000, and y is equal to 12,000 by 4, that will be 3,000. That will be 3,000. So the income of now we'll move on to next slide. Sorry. Yeah, so what we got is x 2000, x is equal to 2000. Now what is income of A? Income of A 9x, income of A 9x, and income of B is 7x. So we have to multiply with that 9x. So 9 into 2000, that is equal to 18,000, and income of B 7x. 7 into 2000, that is equal to 14,000. 14,000. That's it. There ends the matter. Okay. And we'll solve a similar type of question here. See, incomes of A and B are in the ratio of 4:3, and their expenditures are in the ratio of 12:7. If both saves 3,200 at the end of this month, then income of A and B is. I want you to calculate the answer for it, and I will give a time of 10 seconds. I think it is very small, right? Okay, then take 30 seconds, pause the video, solve the question, and verify the answer from this question. Okay, now see, incomes of A and B are in the ratio of 4:3. So let income of A will be 4x and income of B will be 3x. Similarly, expenditure of A will be 12x, since it is in the ratio of 12:7, and expenditure of B will be 7y. Sorry, assume different variable, 12y and 7y. Now both saves 3,200. Savings of A. Savings means income of A minus expenditure of A. We already know the definition of savings. Savings means income minus expenditure. Therefore, savings of A is equal to 4x minus 12y. But savings of A and B are both the same now, 3,200. Therefore, 4x minus 12y is equal to 3,200. Similarly, savings of B is equal to income of B minus expenditure of B. That is 3,200 is equal to income of B is 3x minus expenditure of B is 7y. 3x minus 7y is equal to 3,200. This equation 2, this equation 1. I'll just rewrite, right? 4x minus 12y is equal to 3,200. 4x minus 12y is equal to 3,200, and 3x minus 7y. 3x minus 7y is equal to 3,200. 3,200. Just multiply with 3 and this equation with 4. Now 4 3s are 12x minus 12 into 3, 36y is equal to 3,200 into 3, it will be 9,600. Similarly, 4 3s are 12x minus 4 7s are 28y is equal to 4 into 3,200. 4 3s are 12,000 and 4 2s are 800. 12,800. Now do subtraction. Plus will become minus and minus will become plus. plus 12x minus 12x cancel, minus 36y plus 28y, minus 36 plus 28 minus 8y is equal to 9600 minus 12800. It will be minus 3200. Minus minus cancel, y is equal to 3200 by 8, and that is equal to 8 4 32. Y is equal to 400. Y is equal to 400. Y is equal to 400. Substitute y value in either of this equation, either this or this. I'll substitute in first equation, right? 4x minus 12 is equal to 4x minus 12y is equal to 3200, and y value we got as 400, right? 4x minus 12 into y value we got as 400 is equal to 3200. 4x minus 4800 is equal to 3200. 4x is equal to 3200 plus 4800. 4x is equal to 4 8 plus 2 5 5 plus 3 8. X is equal to 8000 by 4, that will become 2000. X is 2000. Now our intention is not to find x, we have to find income of A and B. Income of A 4x, income of B 3x. So income of A 4 into x, that means 4 into 2000, 8000. Income of B is equal to 3x, that means 3 into 2000, that will become 6000. So in this way we will solve the income, expenditure and savings problem. The one and very important hint is savings is equal to income minus expenditure. That's the only thing you have to know that. Okay, thank you. Will